Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 46 officially underway here on the Daly division. We've got a few notes scored in for blue, a few notes scored in for red. 103, sinking in one more, 2 more for the Red Alliance. To the Cybersonics. Up to the middle line is 2 Blue Alliance robots. We are 46-34 in favor of blue, moving into our teleoperated period. This time humans are going to take control. 47-95 first over to the Blue Alliance amp as they retrieve an extra one from the Blue Alliance wall. Their partners 35-38, the Robo Jackets, launching one across the field in order to help out their alliance partners. The true cooperation of helping their cycles. 1076 makes their way over to that amplified Red Alliance speaker in order to close the gap just a bit. 5 points apiece for every note in the amplified speaker. Blue Alliance is trying to answer back with an amplification of their own. Launching their robot, getting ready to rock and roll is 47-95. The East bots lining up against the Blue Alliance subwoofer and bringing over another note into the amp. Less than 10 points separate these two teams. It's anybody's game with 1.5 minutes left to go. 1076 lines up against the Red Alliance subwoofer as it begins amplification. They're gonna go get their own rebound and put that note right back up into the back of the speaker. A very good job to them. Their partner is 96-59. Seems like they're stuck in the middle of the field. Hopefully they'll get moving once again. 1076 making their way back over as well to the amp. Back on the Blue Alliance side of the field, Team Lancebot launches a note all the way across in front of the stage. Currently extending that Blue Alliance lead as best they can is 47-95. The East bots taking charge over in the Blue Alliance side of the field. Notes back-to-back scored as we move into an amplification on either side of the field. We'll get a handful of notes scored for both. Red Alliance trying to narrow the gap. Blue Alliance trying to make it bigger as best they can. We've got about 20 points separating these two teams moving into our final 20 seconds. 96-59 Vanier Vikings making their way on over and climbing on the chain, slowly but surely getting themselves up there with that pull-up. 47-95 looking to do something similar by dropping off their final note into the amp and making their way towards the stage. 35-38, the Robo Jackets launching themselves on up, dropping off a note into the trap, and off they go. We've got 2 robots up for red, 1076 and 103 climbing in tandem. We've got 2 robots up for blue as time expires. And we will be back with your official results for match number 46. Alliance with a score of 127-103. Robo Lancers hold strong at first as they collect all 4 ranking points along with the rest of the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance not walking home empty-handed. They're going to take an extra ranking point home for the Melody.